So guys, how to add circle around number in HTML? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. As you can see, we have our number here. Inside the span tag, it's better to use span because we can put span anywhere we want, like this. Then give it a class name, suppose circle. After that, go inside the style section, call for the class circle. Then inside, let's add a background color, background dash color, clone, suppose green. Then the text color, color white, semicolon. Let's see what we have so far. Save, reload. So we have our number and the background color. Now to put circle, write display clone inline dash block. With this, our span area will behave like an inline block element. So this will warp around our text, and also we can able to put margin, padding or other properties. Then we need to give same width and height, suppose 40 pixel, inline height. With this we can able to center our text vertically, then add text align. This will center text horizontally. Lastly, border dash radius clone 50%, and we are done. Save the document, reload. See, it's really that simple. If you want, you can change the font size. Save, reload. See? So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.